Imagine discovering a map to unparalleled success. That's what Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich offers. A guide not just to wealth, but to mastering the art of achievement. Within its pages lies the secret to unlocking a world of potential, a blueprint to the riches of life. Are you ready to start on this transformative journey? Our adventure begins with a fundamental truth. Thoughts are powerful. Hill demonstrates that the way we think directly influences our achievements. He argues that positive, focused thoughts are the seeds from which fortunes grow, and the mindset of success is the first step toward actualizing it. The cornerstone of Hill's philosophy is a burning desire. It's not just any wish or longing, but a deeply rooted desire that becomes an obsession. Hill urges us to define our dreams with precision and clarity, transforming vague aspirations into concrete goals. This relentless pursuit of desire is the driving force that turns dreams into reality. Faith, according to Hill, is the elixir that gives life to desire. It's the unwavering belief in the attainment of desire, and it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Hill teaches us to cultivate faith through affirmation and visualization, creating a firm belief in our minds that what we seek is not only possible, but inevitable. This mental certainty removes limitations and opens the path to achievement. Autosuggestion is Hill's method for influencing the subconscious mind, a tool for programming ourselves towards success. It involves repeating positive affirmations that align with our desires and goals, thereby reinforcing our beliefs and intentions. This technique acts as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious minds, ensuring that our thoughts and actions are in harmony with our objectives. Hill emphasizes the importance of specialized knowledge, not general knowledge, but knowledge that is specific and directly related to your dreams. This can be acquired through education, experience, or even observation. The key is to continuously learn and adapt, acquiring the skills and insights necessary to advance your goals. Hill reminds us that knowledge is not power until it is organized and intelligently directed toward definite ends. Imagination is the workshop where all plans are created, says Hill. He differentiates between synthetic imagination, arranging old concepts into new combinations, and creative imagination, the faculty that receives hunches and inspirations from the infinite intelligence. Hill encourages us to foster imagination, as it allows us to see what does not exist yet and is the starting point of all achievement. Organized planning is the crystallization of desire into action. Hill guides us to form practical plans and execute them with precision. He stresses the importance of flexibility and the willingness to adapt plans when they fail. The plan is the bridge between desire and its materialization, and its thoughtful organization is critical for success. The mastery of procrastination is the essence of decision-making. Hill asserts that indecision is the thief of opportunity. He encourages us to make decisions promptly and change them slowly, if at all. By cultivating decisiveness, we can overcome the paralysis of overanalysis and move steadily towards our goals, undeterred by the fear of making mistakes. Key takeaway 1. Channel your thoughts to manifest success and wealth. Key takeaway 2. Desire, faith, and persistence are pivotal in transforming aspirations into achievements. Embrace your imagination as a powerful tool for innovation, and remember that organized planning turns dreams into reality. Decisiveness and action are your allies in the quest for success. Think and Grow Rich transcends the concept of monetary gain. It's a manifesto for personal and professional achievement, a guidebook for anyone aspiring to live a life of purpose, passion, and prosperity. Napoleon Hill's wisdom stands as a testament to the enduring power of positive thinking and the potential within each of us to achieve extraordinary things.